welcome children. Today's worksheet number 38, reproduction in animals. Till now, we have read about fertilization and its type. So, what do you mean by fertilization? When male and female gametes are fused together to form zygote, this process is known as fertilization. And you already know there are two types of fertilization. First one is internal fertilization and second one is external fertilization. In internal fertilization, fertilization takes place inside the female body. It's called internal fertilization, and fertilization in which fertilization take place outside the female body. Such type of fertilization is known as external fertilization. Now we will discuss what happens after fertilization. As we know, zygote is formed after the fusion of male gamete and female gamete after fertilization. So we will discuss development of embryo. Fertilization result in the formation of zygote. Zygote क्या होती है बच्चों? Zygote is the first cell of life which begins to develop into an embryo, which gradually develop into an embryo. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to the ball of cells. This ball of cell is also called embryo. The cell then begins to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. This developing structure is termed embryo. In the picture, you have to shown the picture of embryo, zygote and fusion and male and female gamete. So first process is fertilization, then second is zygote formation and third is embryo. After the multiple division of zygote, embryo is formed. The embryo gets embedded in the wall of uterus for further development. एम्ब्रियो कहाँ हो जाता है? एम्ब्रियो कहाँ पर एम्बेड हो जाता है? इन द वॉल ऑफ यूट्रस. द एम्ब्रियो कंटिन्यूज टू डेवलप इन द यूट्रस. It gradually develops body parts such as hands, legs, head, eyes, ears, etc. At the stage of embryo in which all body parts can be identified is called fetus. Fetus क्या होता है? Later stage of developing of embryo in which all body parts can be identified. This is called fetus. So you have to shown in the pictures development of embryo. In second picture, embedding of embryo in the uterus wall or uterus, and last one is fetus in the uterus. When the development of fetus is complete, the mother gives birth to the infant, and it takes about 9 months. You can also see all the pictures together in the diagram. First cell is ovum, and this is female gamete. This one is sperm, is a male gamete. After the fusion of male and female gamete, during the fertilization, zygote is formed. So this one is zygote. After the repeated or multiple division in zygote, embryo is formed. So this is the development of embryo. And last picture is fetus in the uterus. This picture shows the fetus or fetus in the uterus. So you can see all the pictures, or you can make all the pictures to understand the process. Now we will discuss question answer. Now check yourself. Give two differences between zygote and fetus. Zygote में और fetus में you have to write the difference. So What do you mean by zygote? First one is zygote is first cell of life, and zygote is formed after the fusion of male and female gamete, sperm and ovum after fertilization. Fertilization results in the formation of zygote, which begins to develop into embryo. And what do you mean by fetus? Fetus क्या होता है बच्चों? Fetus, the stage of embryo in which all the body parts can be identified, is called fetus. And when the development of fetus is complete, the mother gives birth to the infant. Question number 2. In which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? Answer is uterus. Question number 3. Define embryo and fetus. You can write answer of these two or embryo or fetus very well. Now I will revise this. The zygote divides repeatedly to give rise to the ball of cells, and the cells then begins to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body. This developing structure is termed as embryo. And what do you mean by fetus? The stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called fetus. Now write true and false. First one is new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. So new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. This is not wrong. New human individual develops from the cell called zygote. So you have to put cross or you have to write false. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of single cell. Correct? This one is correct. So you have to write true. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. This one is also correct. An embryo is made up of single cell. This one is wrong. Embryo is made up of multiple cell. Thanks for watching.